Hey everyone, I'm back again with another delicious weeknight recipe. This one is my delicious chicken and broccoli served over some jasmine rice. Let's get into this. So for this recipe, we'll be using chicken thighs. I deboned it and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I went ahead and seasoned it with some chicken seasoning and a touch of browning for the color. I've also already cut my broccoli florets. Here I have 3 crushed garlic and a bit of ginger that I finely sliced. So for the sauce, we're going to be using a tablespoon of light soy sauce, roughly a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and about half a tablespoon of my sesame oil. I'm just going to combine all this into a bowl with some cornstarch, and I did go ahead and added about 1/4 cup of water. Do like to taste my sauce to just make sure it is exactly how I want it to taste. Now I also went in with some dried chili flakes for heat. Now this is completely optional. Your cornstarch will thicken the sauce. Now we're just gonna combine this together and put it to the side whilst we work on our chicken. Now to a heated pan with oil, I'm just gonna go ahead now and start frying our chicken. Now this chicken shouldn't really take long, less than 10 minutes. At this point, you can go ahead and start cooking your broccoli. Now, after about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to go ahead now and start moving the chicken around. Make sure all bits are cooked. There will be some that you're going to have to turn over individually. Now, after about 7 to 8 minutes of frying, I'm going to go ahead now and add my sauce. I did add a little bit more browning because I wanted a little bit more color on the chicken, but again, this is completely optional. Now, once you add the sauce, you just want to give this a good mix and just leave it for a further 3 to 4 minutes and your chicken should be ready. After this time, I'm going to go ahead now and add my cooked broccoli, give it a toss, and at this point you can go ahead and turn your flame off because you don't want to really cook your broccoli anymore or it's going to get too soft. Or if you like your broccoli really soft, then you can just leave it, but at this point literally you can turn your cooker off and your dinner should be ready. Serve this up over some jasmine rice and dinner is served. I thank you so much for watching my video. In case you're new here, my name is Shellz. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and watch a few of my videos. Hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so, and please make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, go and big up on yourself. Thank you so much for your continuous support. And there you have it, guys, my quick and easy chicken and broccoli weeknight meal from my kitchen to your table. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and again, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.